Frank A. Lombardi, Esquire, Principal at Goodman, Shapiro & Lombardi, LLC, heads the Rhode Island office. With 29 years of experience, Mr. Lombardi is considered a leading expert in the field of community association law. A court-appointed expert and receiver for condominium associations, he assisted in the passage of Rhode Island's superlien law and recently won the significant condominium law case before Rhode Island's Supreme Court. A frequent lecturer for the Community Association Institute and the Rhode Island Realtors Association, he authors a monthly column in Condominium magazine. Currently, he is New England chapter president of the Condominium Association Institute.
Now here's a question I'd love to have an answer for. Why do major fires happen, destroying entire kitchens or even whole buildings? Why do people get hurt? Why do they steal or make costly mistakes? I don't know really, and it's probably better to leave the answer to those questions to those people with robes and long beards like philosophy professors and soothsayers. Whether you believe life is a game of chance, that things happen by accident or by design, it doesn't really matter, so long as you take steps to protect yourselves. When a condominium board member, a unit owner, or a property manager asks, "How do I protect myself?" Now that's a question I can answer. Insurance. Your typical condominium declaration, if you're in Rhode Island, specifies that the association must purchase insurance for the condominium units and the surrounding common areas and facilities. And it also specifies what types of coverage you must have. This is called a master policy of insurance. For the common areas and the units, that usually means insuring for damage or destruction of the walls, floors, ceilings, and any fixtures within, like kitchen cabinets originally installed by the developer, the original rugs, bathroom countertops, lighting fixtures, etc. It should also cover the pool, the clubhouse, and all buildings and facilities. Now, board members make mistakes, some big, some small, from failing to properly secure the right bids on a contract to even accidentally or intentionally losing the association's money. To err is human, to forgive is divine. But to have the money to replace the money lost, like say with a good directors and officers liability policy or a fidelity insurance covering theft, now that's both divine and smart. People get hurt all the time on common areas of the condominiums. Whether they are unit owners carrying groceries, on-site association employees raking the yards or cutting the lawn, or even Girl Scouts selling cookies, having general liability, workers' compensation, or umbrella policies is sweet in sunshine or in the rain. Now let's say you, as a condominium unit owner, had the good sense to replace the 1970s burnt orange or avocado formica kitchen counters with the more modern granite. Now what is an HO6 policy? Pretend the unit is a box, generally speaking. Turn the box upside down. The things that fall out, like your Picasso or your lava lamp, they'll be covered under the HO6 policy, so you won't be forced to go back to Marsha Brady's orange countertops because your upgrades will be covered. Simply put, the HO6 policy covers anything that the master policy doesn't cover. There's no accounting for taste, but there is something to be said for properly securing the right insurance. You need to work with insurance professionals to read the coverages required by your documents and to advise you about the appropriate coverage amounts and limits. Life is indeed a game of chance, like a deck of cards. Now, I can't say what hand you'll be dealt, but in securing the right insurance for your condominium, I can at least say that you will have some aces up your sleeve.
For more information on these and other related subjects, contact the partners at Goodman, Shapiro & Lombardi, LLC. Their toll-free number is 877-241-1600, or go to their website at www.goshlaw.com. Goodman, Shapiro & Lombardi, LLC. The right attorneys to call before the wrong thing happens.